Finally, SEC admits defeat from XRP. This year, the crypto market is dominated by non-refundable tokens, or NFT. One of the most popular cryptocurrencies at the moment has a lot of problems with the Securities Commission right now. But more recently it became known that Ripple can count on the support of many analysts. Welcome to the Rich Club channel. If you like this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Do you think the analysts are right about XRP? Write the answers in the comments. In this form, we will consider the current price of XRP. Interesting news related to this cryptocurrency. Current price forecast for XP. The long wick on the Ripple or XRP candle on November 15th shows that the bears were selling on the ascents to the upper resistance at $1.24. Sales accelerated on November 16th, and the bears returned the price below the moving averages. If the bears keep the price below the moving averages, the XRP-USDT pair may challenge the strong support at $1. The 20-day EMA began to decline, and the RSI dropped into negative territory, indicating that the bears have a slight advantage. A breakout and a close below $1 can raise the price to 85 cents. This level may act as a strong support again, but if it cracks, the next stop may be 70 cents. Conversely, if the price breaks above the moving averages, the pair may rise to $1.24. Bulls will have to push and maintain the price above this level to signal a return. The live XRP price today is $1.05 USD, with a 24-hour trading volume of $2.629 billion USD. We update our XRP to USD price in real time. XRP is down 2.27% in the last 24 hours. The market is experiencing turmoil due to lawyer John Deaton's latest tweet about his claims for objective empirical evidence proving that the majority, approximately 60% of XRP holders, did not know about Ripple when they had invested in the token for the first time. From now on, according to Howey's test, it is almost impossible to establish that the XRP community relied on the promises and promptings of a promoter or company that they are unaware of. The SEC is obliged to answer the essence of the question, that is, why XRP has the status of securities, by December 6, 2021, which makes it one of the most critical dates for XRP holders. Last month, the court granted attorney Deaton amici curiae status to outline brief legal issues and concerns on behalf of individuals and the XRP community. While the SEC continued to make its claims regarding the status of securities for XRP and further alleged that the defendants violated the Securities Act instead of selling these digital assets. However, members of the movement have already adhered to this position last month, arguing that if XRP sales are marked as illegal, then the list of perpetrators goes far beyond Ripple and individual defendants. Despite the undeniably consistent efforts of the XRP community to fight the SEC, XRP token holders are stuck with frozen assets and a relatively bearish run during one of the fastest growth seasons. Last month, Deaton's lawyer asked the court on behalf of the XRP community to reject any further extensions, given that a large amount of XRP holders keep their XRP in retirement brokerage accounts that have also been frozen. XRP holders cannot touch their funds in any way, including the inability to withdraw funds, due to the ongoing litigation. It was a tough year for Ripple when the cryptocurrency and blockchain company faced a lawsuit from the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, which led to many users and crypto companies in the country severing their ties with the company. Despite these setbacks, Ripple seems to have become more popular than ever, and its daily active addresses have recently reached an all-time high. The registry has increased the volume of its daily active addresses from about 11.3 thousand daily to a recent peak of 142.7 thousand, which is more than 11 times more activity during this time. Ripple's active addresses reaching the territory of rapid growth are caused by a new development that is encouraged and supported by part of the Ripple team, according to a popular crypto analyst who spoke with Sentiment Analysts in a recent podcast. She referred to the recently announced Creators Fund of $250 million, which was launched to attract NFT creators to the XRP registry as activity accelerators. In addition, she said that the recently released Songbird protocol in Ripple's book was another contributing factor, explaining, The reason this activity will correlate is because this particular unique blockchain uses the XRP registry. There have been several really successful projects related to the Songbird protocol. Ari also specifically mentioned Ripple's on-demand liquidity (ODL) solutions, which the company uses to enter global markets such as the Middle East. In its Q3 report, Ripple noted significant growth in ODL, with ODL transactions increasing by 130% per quarter. The analyst emphasized the same thing in the podcast, noting, "There is a lot of growth with using an asset as an intermediate asset when it goes from fiat to fiat when moving money around the world. So I think this is also for sure a sign of on-demand liquidity growth." Sentiment analyst Brian noted that Ripple's activity growth was significantly higher compared to other digital assets with maximum capitalization, even though its XRP token was not immune from market volatility, which reduces prices. He said, "This would indicate a potential bullish divergence when the price action of the coin begins to decline. However, the amount of activity at the network level and daily interaction with the blockchain seems to support the upward momentum. This could be a positive sign." According to analysts, social sentiment towards XRP also remains positive. Huge bursts of social activity are periodically noted. According to Eric, this interest is not due to the price action, but to the intrinsic value of Ripple and the use cases that he proposed. "I think the owner of XRP, in general, understands that the price has been lowered due to the SEC lawsuit, so maybe there is a lot more patience here than usual. I think the fundamental principles are still of great interest." It is reported that India is working on considering a widely discussed bill on cryptocurrencies before or during the upcoming session of Parliament. It is reported that the bill will be submitted for consideration at the upcoming meeting of the Cabinet of Ministers of the Union, and the winter session will begin on November 29. This draft law on cryptocurrencies contains new provisions on crypto assets, their classification, and the expected tax revenues from them. If the bill receives the approval of the Cabinet of Ministers, it can be approved at the upcoming session of Parliament. Earlier, internal sources indicated that the government could regulate cryptocurrencies as an asset class and prohibit their use as a payment. A senior government official indicated that the new rules would include taxes on profits from cryptocurrencies based on the current capital gains rules. Tarun Bajaj, Minister of Revenue, shed some light on the taxation of crypto assets and explained, "We will accept the challenge. I understand that people are already paying taxes on this. Now that it has really grown a lot, we will see if we can actually make some changes to the law or not. But it would be a budget event. We are already approaching the budget. We have to consider it at this point in time." The Indian crypto ecosystem has struggled, despite uncertainty about the rules, for almost 4 years. According to one report, the Indian crypto ecosystem has turned into a $6 billion industry with several new unicorns. Do you think XRP will be able to keep this level? Write your answers in the comments. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you liked it, then don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.